Hi friends, it's Donnie from Tada. I've been working a lot on my training modules, the Acting A through Z series. I just recorded a few more lesson plans today, but I keep forgetting to say one thing, and I really think that this applies not only to acting, but every artistic endeavor and every career and every avenue of your life. The one thing that I think stops actors in their tracks is fear. Fear can paralyze you. It can paralyze you on stage. It can make you forget your lines. But worse than that, it'll stop you from knocking on the doors in the first place. I really want you to believe in your heart. There is no such thing as failure. I learned this from my 15 years in the corporate world. They don't do failure. No, at the company I used to work for, they would say, those were lessons learned. Now, how do we move forward? I totally became a better actor because of my years as an executive assistant at an engineering firm. Thank you guys. You know who you are. Lessons learned. There's no such thing as failure. Move forward. Okay? Here's a lesson. How can doors open for you if you don't knock on them? Knock on the doors. How can they? And once you open the door, how can you get the job done if you didn't prepare in advance? Prepare, train, knock on the doors. The same thing applies to life and every career you might choose. Just leave the fear behind. All right, I'll see you in class.